Stop. Say cheese. Cheese. It's not listening at all. Not listening.
So, as you can see, we changed our name to the Trekking Owens. A little different. We felt like the other name was a little too long. So we just wanted to, you know, make it kind of short, sweet. Trekking, that's what we're doing. We're going to take a journey through all of Europe for the next couple years. And that's what the channel is going to be about. So like, subscribe, comment, help us build the channel so we can get out and do more things just like this.
Pay attention to the road, please.
No.
Where are we going?
Traumschleife Baybachklamm. No.
I don't even think that's close.
I don't think that's right at all.
I think it's Traumschleife
Traumschleife Baybachklamm.
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 Police reported ahead.
Police are reported ahead.
For the record, Chris picked this hike today.
This is the right name.
This, I don't think this is a...
Yeah, it's a road.
Literally big enough for our...
Yeah, it's far. Plenty of room. Maybe. With no parking. What do you think?
Can we park down there?
I mean, I think we can park right here. I can let you guys out and we can park really close there.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think? I mean, that
No.
person did.
No parking. Let's see what's down there. There's like a
There's nothing down there.
there's
Oh,
more
there's like a park
parking
right
down here. What was he saying?
I think he said like, I thought he said something and then I was walking back up towards him. I think he stopped to be like, hey, did you need something?
Oh.
And I really didn't. I just,
Oh. Do you speak English?
little. What do you
little?
think? Wonderful. Wonderful. I said, are we on the right trail? He said, wonderful.
We're on this hike.
Through the ice and the water.
He's in shorts and a zip-up hoodie right now. Kendall is freezing. And I brought a hoodie. Thank goodness. It's freezing out here.
Where are we at?
We're on the Saarbrück Heinerberg Trail. I don't know. But it's really cold down here in the valley. We weren't prepared for this.
Where are you going?
Sun. She's cold. We're all of like 5 minutes into our hike and we get lost.
No, that's a blue one.
We took the wrong road. We took an actual road because a car was coming down it. And we're like, maybe.
I think
This isn't right. We walked up this tiny, like, just right off the path. And it got so warm up here. It's crazy. I want to take a picture of you guys together. Alright, say cheese. Oh my god.
I don't know what you want.
I just want a picture. Okay, that was it. Wasn't that hard? I just wanted a picture. One picture. These are cool. Still cold? Cold. Cold.
Go inside the cave.
Hey. Ooh, it's warm right here.
I know. Can't go down in there. It's like all kinds of water in there.
And bathroom. This is obviously a bathroom for lots of people.
There's like a little water.
What's crazy is that it's still frozen. It hasn't melted yet. Maybe we went the wrong way.
9.
There you go. You just really step down.
Here, you might want to take the camera.
In the middle of going down the mountain and giving us the camera.
How's that hoodie working out? Yeah, gotta take that off.
Ready?
Alright. We ready?
Yeah.
We're about at what? A mile, 1.3 into it, and we already had to take our hoodies off and get water.
5 more miles to go.
It was cold, but now it's getting warm.
Hot. We stopped for lunch. What are you eating, babe?
A baguette, some Mediterranean cheese, and some salami. I think I got everything.
Got a baguette there. What's your favorite part of lunch?
Ooh, cheese is good.
Probably salami and the chips and the baguette is okay, just not the best.
We have. I like this cheese. I don't think anybody else does. Chris and Kendall like this cheese.
Yeah.
And this is their salami. This is my salami that no one likes but me.
I'll try it.
Oh, here we go.
It's okay.
It's good. And Christopher brought expired salami that was in our refrigerator.
I don't know.
But kudos to him just for trying to pack us food.
Show them our ice packs.
We're ice packs. So we don't have regular ice packs anymore since we moved. So we just fill up our stasher bags with water and we froze them the night before, which we now know we have to freeze them a little bit
At least a day.
earlier. But and then as we finish the food, we can dump out the ice packs in the grass and not have to carry the weight.
I don't have to carry the weight.
I'm carrying other stuff. Lunch.
Mom, look, blue cave.
Oh, our little lunch spot has a cave. Not going in there though. Nope. No, thank you.
Oh. Bats.
Finished up lunch. And
Almost.
and we have to have that every hike from now on. It was good. We ate a small baguette and salami, chips. Kendall's still working on those. And cheese. And it was just enough to keep us going. And we have 4-5 miles left to go. So it was good. Es ist gut. How are we doing? Yeah.
It's warm.
It's like this gradual incline. And we decided it could be better, could be worse. So that's walking.
Could always be worse.
Could always be worse.
By this time it'll be.
Shall we do a little commercial for Danner hiking boots and how great they are in this mud that we're walking through?
Sure.
Of course, all the mud's gone now, but great boots. Come from this. Chris is taking a breather, and we walk into a field. The top. Hopefully, we only have to go downhill from here.
Hopefully.
I think we're halfway done.
9.
Almost halfway done.
Like,
Much easier terrain,
Right now.
thankfully.
Definitely a little bit of a drop off now. So we didn't really hike for about 3 months in the wintertime, and now we decided to just come on out and do a moderate 6.5. Not bad at all. Right?
Hiked in months.
Huh?
We haven't hiked in months. Let's do a 6.5 mile hike.
Yeah.
yeah.
Way more fun. Well, we made it up another mountain. Barely. It was rough. It was so hot up here. Like, we're hot and sweaty. But when we got out of the car, I really thought that there was no way we're gonna do this because it was so cold. It was freezing.
Yeah.
It was like low 40s, maybe even 30s. But now it's, well,
Probably 60.
yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's a great day for a hike.
Now we gotta go down. We just walked up on like a fishery or a bass fishery. I don't know if you see it, but there's tons and tons of fish.
Climbing up another hill
What?
after we took the wrong way down there. Here we are, just walking through fields. It feels so good out here.
Can't believe we're just walking around and hiking and jumping.
So thank you to whoever's field this is for letting us walk through it. We appreciate it greatly. We're hoping that this trail just takes us along the stream and we don't have to hike up another mountain. Because I'm over it.
Good little climb. Look at this, an actual icicle. You ever seen an icicle before? Look at that, how thick that is. Oop. Got mud on me. Oh well. These trees are cool. Look at green and black tones. Alright, well, we're in the last like 200 meters. There's our car. Oh, glorious, glorious car.
Oh.
My feet hurt. My watch says 7.11 right now. And took us 4 hours.
What'd you say? That if anyone was up for a challenging hike, that we would take them there?
If anybody comes out to visit us, then we will gladly take you out to the Baybachklamm. With a couple of mishaps, but we went 7 miles. Should only have taken 6.5. A lot of ups and downs. Over rocks, over like hills and stuff. Yeah, if anybody wants
300 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit.
If anybody wants a challenge hike for 6.5, it's moderate on all trails.
Alles gut. That's all I say to people when I don't know what they're saying. Genau. So we're on this hike. I shouldn't say so. Remember that one? They were like, don't say so. You say so too much.
Oh. Good old all trails. Thanks.
Oh my mom.
You all right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, I'm good. Thanks for videoing.
It's really not that bad. It was pretty fun. A lot of cool things to see. Some caves.
No lies. Hang on. It was not a good start for, hey, we haven't hiked in like 4 months. Let's do a 6.5 mile one.
Yeah.
At the
Not the
roundabout,
best
take the
idea.
second exit on Rhine-Mosel
Because our
Straße.
feet are dead.
Let me see. I don't know if that's gonna fit.
yeah. Oh man, it will. I'm just gonna squash the chips.
Right. That's good. Don't worry about it. Good.
Peace out.